Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Saad Al Qur'an Academy. Myself Sayyid Saad. I hope you all are good. Alhamdulillah, I am also good. This is exam lesson. It is similar sounding letters, but their pronunciation is different. You have to pay attention to their sound. Only then you will be able to learn the right pronunciation. So let's start. Ta, to, ثا سين شين صاد حا ها خا قاف ذال ذا ضاد ظا ألف عين نون با فا غين يا جيم ميم لام dal. This is written. Each letter has 3 or 4 different forms in murakkabat. Alif has 3 forms. Alif, alif, alif. Ba, ba, ba. Ta has 4 different forms. Ta, 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 ta. Jeem, jeem. Dal, dal. Ain, ain, ain. Fa, fa, fa. Kaf, kaf, kaf. Lam, lam, lam. Mim, mim, mim. Noon, noon, noon. Ha, 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 ha. Hamzah, hamzah, hamzah. Ya, ya, ya. I hope you guys got to learn a lot from this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask in comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Jazakallahu khairan.